aerodynamics into it without using complex folds. Okay?
I got love up in my pocket and I don't know what to do with it. I got love